Hi, so I have been working in the tech profession for I think many years. So I think salary is the important thing. And that's why we work, right? So that's why we do the job for the money. So that's why I think so we need to create a app for calculate our salary growth. So over the weekends I made this app. So this is based on simple HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I will go through. Okay, let's talk about the functionalities. So you can enter your current salary here. So okay, I will import my current salary into Bangladeshi taka. So this will be Bangladeshi taka. So say my salary is 80,000 right now. So after increment, my target monthly salary would be, I think so, let's say 85,000. So current unofficial Bangladeshi inflation rate may be going on by 11%. So we'll put annual inflation rate to 11. And the and where we have an option to conversion our currency. So we are importing the currency into Bangladeshi taka. Now our app will convert everything to US dollar also. Now we need to hit calculate growth. So here we get a breakdown of our salary analysis. So previously, our monthly salary was 80,000, but after increment, we got 85,000. So our absolute increase is 5,000. Our percentage growth is 6.3%. Previously, yearly salary is 9 lakh and 60,000. So 80,000 into 12, and new yearly salary is 10 lakh 20,000. So it would be 85,000 into 12. And this is inflation adjusted salary. So what is this? So remember we got a inflation rate by going on 11%. So everything will be much expensive day by day. So this is inflation adjusted salary. So ultimately next year total you will get 10 lakh 20,000, but after adjusting the inflation your actual salary would be 9 lakh 18,919 something. Yeah. And we converted our previously yearly salary in USD, new yearly salary in USD. So, and here is your inflation adjusted salary in US dollars. So here we can see our previously salary was 9 lakh 60,000, but our new yearly salary after inflation we got only 9 lakh 18,000 something. So see, our salary decreased, right? Yeah, that's for the inflation rate. And that's why I just added a career growth advice. So here we calculated your growth. So your nominal raise is 6.3%. So this value and this value. And but after inflation, the real increase is minus 4.3%. So this is pretty bad for your career. So we need to look into it. So I added a salary comparison graph. So if you hover into that, so it says 9,60,000 annual salary, and this is new annual salary, 10,20,000. And we created a graph. So this is your nominal salary graph. So this is second year yearly income. This is after 10-year yearly income if you get 6.3% increment every year. And this is the red one is the inflation adjusted. So if you get every year 6.3% increment, but your country is going by 11% annual inflation rate, so you see this is ultimately your salary is decreasing, and this is pretty bad for your growth. Okay, so another thing, you can report this email, report this thing to your email. So I will use a temporary email for that. So I will copy this one. Now I need to put my email over here. So just hit email report. So this page says report sent successfully. Okay, now we head back to our mail site. Okay, so this is saying Maruf Inc. and this is my email address. So if I open the mail, so you see here's the salary growth report. So this is my absolute growth and every details that you need. And also I added the career growth advice into here. we need to take care many of things. So I pushed this code and this is in public repository and you can use this code, modify this. I think you can improve this one as you want. And I added a readme file here and I tried to explain some of the things that you need to consider. So first of all, so in my code, so if I go to my JavaScript, so you see here's calling public API. So you need to, and another one, I think, where is it? Where is it? Oh, sorry, there it is. The email just service ID and template ID. So these these are blank. So you need to fulfill for work for integrate your email. So how I integrate my email, let me show you. So first of all, create a email.js account. After that, go to accounts, and this is your public key. And go to email service. Just add a new service. I will use Gmail, and this is your service ID. And go to email templates. Okay, so this is the mail template I created. You see, this is the mail template you are getting on the result. So yeah, the code is go to here, code editor, and this is the code. I also added the code into, yeah, I added the same code into readme file, so you can just copy paste it here. And most important thing, just to email, you need to put this command over here. Oh, sorry, I think I messed up. So yeah, other than that, this will not send any data to your client email. So you need to put this one over here. And let me show you the codes behind that. So if I split the screen, so if I go into the top of my JavaScript, so yeah, this. So here is the email.js. So if I go to my accounts, here's the API key. This is the public API key. So I need to copy this one and paste it over here. After that, we need to come over here, I think. Yeah. There's your service ID. So what is service ID? Go to your email services and this is your service ID. Just put your service ID over here and go to here. This is your email templates. Go over here. It's in the settings. This is template ID. Just copy the whole thing and paste it over here. I think yeah, that's it. I think you guys can yeah explore this thing and modify and push any changes that you want. I'll really happy to see your changes. Yeah, that's all. Thanks.